Hi guys. Today I'm I want to play now at the beach. I want to sit at the beach now. Oh, 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 oh. Hmm. My mom said to me, don't water your clothes. I'm relaxing now. Hmm. I want to go home now. I'm so hungry. What's that sound? Oh, whoa, ouch, ouch, ouch. What is this? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, ouch. What is that? Wow, the news said, please don't. Okay. Wow, why? Please don't get out because there's a strong wind. So please don't get out. Thanks. Wow, a strong wind. How it came? You want to play? Do, 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 do. But now it's summer. How it came? Oh, I want to eat something. I don't have anything to cook it. And they said on the news, don't go outside. Oh, I have to go. So, this is the market. I have to buy something. Ice cream and the popcorn. Ice cream and milk. Ice cream, milk, cake, burger, popcorn, water, burger and pizza and cookie and a lollipop and a soup. I wanted to buy the soup. You have to pay now. I want to play. Pay. Okay. I want those. Can I take it now? Thank you. Now I have to go out. Now I'm at home now. Let's cook some food now. So hungry. I want to eat burger now. Eat burger with ice cream. Yes. Hum 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 yum yum. Now I have got finished. Now wash my hands and got finished. Oh, I'm tired. I wanted to change my clothes and sleep. Now I'm sleepy now. Oh.